In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow effect like thumbnail in Photopea. This is a quick way to make your subject pop, and it works entirely in your browser, so there's nothing to install. First, open Photopea in your web browser. When the workspace loads, choose Open from Computer and pick the image you want to enhance. A subject with clear edges against the background tends to give the best results, but any image will work. Once it opens on the canvas, we'll prepare the subject so the glow looks clean and intentional. Go to the Select menu at the top and choose Magic Cut. Photopea will analyze your photo and try to separate the subject from the background automatically. You'll see a preview of what it keeps and removes. If the cutout needs a quick touch-up, use the green brush to mark areas that should be kept and the red brush for areas to remove. You don't have to be perfect here, just aim for smooth edges around your subject. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the cutout and return to the main canvas. Next, in the Layers panel, click on the background layer. We're going to add the glow using Layer Styles. Right-click the layer and choose Blending Options to open the Layer Style dialog. On the left side, select Outer Glow. This is where the magic happens. Now adjust the glow to match your thumbnail style. Choose a color that complements your image. Bright cyan, warm orange, and neon pink are popular choices for thumbnail glows. Increase the opacity to make the glow stronger, then adjust spread and size to control how solid and wide the glow appears. Spread thickens the edge, while size controls how far it fades outward. Try a softer size for a dreamy look, or a higher spread for a stronger, punchier outline. You can also switch the blend mode to screen or linear dodge for a brighter effect, and reduce noise to keep the glow clean. Watch the live preview as you tweak. Small changes go a long way. When it looks right, click OK to apply. Zoom out to see the full composition and make sure the glow balances well with your subject and background. If it feels too intense or too subtle, just reopen blending options and fine-tune outer glow until it fits your style. And that's it, your glow effect is ready. This simple workflow gives your image that eye-catching thumbnail look, helping your subject stand out instantly.